Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by opening the Shein app or website and signing in so saves stick with your account. Type precise search phrases like puppy keep and related terms. This widens results while staying focused. Once done, tap the search button and scan the first results row quickly. You're looking for matching thumbnails and product titles. Make sure to switch between exact phrase and single keywords because Shein algorithm sometimes prefers shorter terms, and that will change what appears. Now refine what you found by applying filters, category, price range, size, and color, so the list narrows to relevant items. Once filtered, switch sort options to relevance or newest. That surfaces likely matches or recently added puppy designs. You should also tap an item and scroll its images, then try the image search or related products feature. This helps when keyword matches misstylized prints. Keep experimenting with synonyms and filters until the results look right. Finish by saving promising items to a favorites list so you can compare sizes, colors, and prices side by side. Before ordering, read reviews and check seller ratings and multiple photos to confirm the puppy design is accurate. If you get no search results, try spelling variants, hyphens, or related phrases and clear the app cache. Make sure your region and language settings are correct. If problems persist, contact Shein support with screenshots so they can assist.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.